Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we will simplify our question in a second. How? Simply our given question is 5 plus 5 is to power n plus 5 is equals to 630, which is a given equation, and the required equation is 4 is to power n plus 5. In order to solve these equations, first we should move this 5, which is a value of a given equation, on the other side of the equation, and this positive 5 will move to the other side of the equation and convert into minus 5. Now in the next step both values will subtract, or you can say that this 630 minus 5 will be equal to 625. Now, as we know that this 625 can be written as 5 is to power 4, and on the left side of the equation will remain same, which is 5 is to power n plus 5. Now, from the basic rule of algebra, if the bases are equal in magnitude, then their power will also equal. So, here we apply the same rule, and as a result, we will get 9 plus 5 is equals to 4. Now, this 5, which have the positive sign, will move to the other side of the equation and convert into the minus sign. As a result, we will get n is equals to 4 minus 5, and which will be equal to minus 1. Now, as we know that our required equation is 4 is to power n plus 5. Now this n will be equal to minus from this expression. So we should write the value, or we should replace the value of n from minus 1 plus 5 will remain same. Now minus 1 plus 5 will be equal to 4, and as we know that 4 is to power 4 will be equal to 256, and this is the answer for this expression. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.